Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. I hope you're doing well. We're going to talk about a crazy possible short squeeze. We'll see what happens. A stock that has absolutely rocketed supernova style high in the last month and a half, and that is, and we're going to jump on it right here out of CNBC, and I'm going to show you a couple other things. It's called AMTD Digital, and the title of the story is "The $300 billion meme stock that makes GameStop look like child's play." Now, it says right here, AMT Digital, a little-known Hong Kong-based fintech company, saw its shares skyrocket 126% yesterday alone after experiencing a series of trading halts. That happens a lot when stocks do this because there's either something wrong or something most people don't know what's going on. It says the company went public in mid-July and its stock is up 21,000% to approximately $1,679 a piece from its IPO price of just $7.80 in just 2 weeks. This is absolutely incredible, guys. Says the wild trading is reminiscent of the GameStop mania of 2021, where a band of Reddit-obsessed retail investors managed to push up the shares of the video game retailer and squeeze out short-selling hedge funds. The ticker HKD was the most popular mention on Reddit's Wall Street Bets chat room Tuesday, according to alternative data provider. So check this out, guys. Let's go to their website. Let's see what they are, right? This is what they're saying they are. AMT Digital, right here. As the fusion reactor at the core of AMTD's SpiderNet ecosystem, AMTD Digital is a one-stop digital solutions platform in Asia with businesses spanning multiple verticals, including digital financial services, digital media, content and marketing, SpiderNet ecosystem solutions, and digital investments. Now, everyone, first, I want to explain something. I am not endorsing or saying you need to go out and buy this stock. As a matter of fact, it's totally different. I actually believe that this is the kind of stuff that gets really scary and why you need to educate yourself. And if you want information on an amazing class that I've been hearing so many amazing things about, is Johnny Bravo's course on stock trading and especially learning technical analysis. I know people have taken this course and they absolutely are raving about it. I've got a link below in the description, but I wanted to show you this chart, and this is what I wanted to explain. So I pulled out a 6-month chart and it doesn't go back 6 months, right? It's brand new. Friday, July 15th is really when it started seeing any trading, and around 1621. Now it IPO'd in the $7 range, but obviously it's hitting the market, starts picking up. But if you see around July 27th, we were already up to $76 and then it just took off. But look at this. This is where it gets nutty. Yesterday it was at $1,679. Today, 1,100, down approximately, I believe, 33% if my mind math works for me. And this is pretty wild. I think that it's very important to get good education when it comes to technical analysis. And I'm going to get Johnny on in a couple of days. We're going to go through this chart because this could be, and I want you to watch this because it's a very interesting story, because I think what you're going to see is coming up soon, we're going to start to see more of these because the markets are getting irrational. And to say that we are experiencing irrational exuberance in the last couple of years in the stock market, especially, and even a real estate market, is an understatement. All right. And these are the things that people can get really caught on. Now, do I believe that it could go higher? I'm going to be honest with you. I'd be shocked if it did. Unless there was some massive short squeeze. And the reason why is because this company IPO'd at $1.4 billion. It's now, as of the other day, was worth, I think, $250 billion. Right now, it looks, obviously, we're down to like 109, it's showing. But my point being is this. When a company IPOs and it goes public and they have earnings that they've been putting out there. They've got, because they're going, initial public offering, they're being very open about their numbers with the public. Hedge funds and other institutional investors have got access to all kinds of information about this company, right? Well, they would try and price it at about what it's worth. Some companies try and go higher. They try and go as high as they can, honestly. But what I'm seeing here is something that is not normal and should be, people should be cautious about, right? Because what happens is, especially if you think about it, and I'll look at this, you've got all these keywords in here that are just firing people off. Most people are like, SpiderNet ecosystem, it sounds amazing. Like, do you even know what it is, right? And the other thing too is, And if anybody in the chat, in the comment section, knows more about this company, please dive in and let us know, because it's great to learn from each other. But you look at all these keywords and these big things like $300 billion meme stock that makes GameStop look like child's play. And it's almost like they're taunting you, those keywords. And that's what I get concerned with as an investor, especially a stock investor, is are retail investors going to be trapped and excited about all these keywords and think that this company is worth double this, when in all reality, it priced out at $1.4 billion. And if the company thought for any second it could raise more money going public, it would have done it. All right. So here's the easiest question. This is the most logical question. This is why you need experience from experienced traders like the course that I'm telling you guys below to check out the link. It's because you need to look at where the big money is and I'll give you an example. The big money is the backers that originally backed AMTD Digital, right? The banks that price it out, the companies that went through it with a fine-tooth comb before it IPO'd, said, look, this is what we believe you're worth. This is what would be a good number, because we don't want to overprice it and be undersubscribed, right? And if they could have raised more money, they would have. They would have tried at a $2.5 billion valuation. So this smells like something's fishy, and really, honestly, we're only going to know in the next few weeks how this pans out. But guys, do me a favor, take a look at the link below at the course. If you guys want more experience and more instruction on how to use trading software, how to pick up on learn technical analysis and use it for your benefit. I know lots of people that have been just crushing it in the stock market lately because they are watching that 200-day moving average, which is very key. Go ahead and check that out, guys. And let's watch this. Let's see what happens. I'll try and get Johnny on. We'll do some charting of this stock. And I think it'll be good. I mean, to watch a stock like this just go up astronomically. I mean, trust me, all of us wish, including me, that we would have bought it bottom and sold at top. But sometimes it's just not that easy. All right, guys, that being said, I thank you so much for watching. The Economic Ninja is out.